Scary makeup today. I don't know about y'all, but that doll is creepy. I bought some Mehron white face paint. I'm gonna try. I don't want to do it completely like white, not clown white, but just like a hint, just a tone. Okay. Ooh, that goes on nice. See, I'm just gonna mix this with like some foundation and see what happens.
I like your eyes. Can I have some?
Okay, I whited myself out a bit. Very pasty. I'm gonna do some little orange blush. I need eyebrows. I can't blank mine out very well, so I'm not gonna even try that. But we're gonna do kind of maybe some glam black. Got some orange blush. That's a little dark. Okay, lighten it up with a little Moira orange as well. It's gonna make a mess on my freshly whatever white and orange situation. So we're gonna get some drop cloths here. So we've done black and gray and some brownish gray.
And your kid's here.
And my kid's here. Just use some black NYX glitter and then a little coppery brown color in my inner corner.
And your kid's here.
And my kid's here. I like this glam version. Don't know how to do it. I'm going to start with some powder and then do the liner on top. They have a wrinkle right there, so that worked out. This is giving me vibes of like, what was that girl's name in the 13 Ghosts? She was creepy. I'm not sure how these cuts look, but I'm trying, and I'm doing like eyeliner in the middle of it to give it more like depth, I guess. Using liquid eyeliner for the cuts. What are you doing? Some white highlight just to kind of make it look more real. This is a good look for me. On this like ruffly top, I don't have lace like this, but this is taking me back. Back comb. Come on now. Who else? I think this is the look. Hi. Hi. What do we think? All right, like and follow for more.